Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. So now I'm testing this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica S cappuccino machine. And let's go ahead and make a cappuccino. I have it set to the highest foam setting. So I'll get a nice thick foam. And you can see that's exactly what I'm getting. A nice thick foam here. You can see how fluffy it is. Then it'll pour the espresso on top. And I'm using whole milk. Whole milk definitely makes the best foam. I know not all people like to drink whole milk, but yeah, it definitely makes the best foam, and you can see in this clear cup it really makes a beautiful espresso drink. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.